Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I will show you how to clean the primary C drive in Windows 11 to free up some extra space. To clean the C drive, first let's check the recycle bin. In almost all systems, the recycle bin space is allocated in the C drive. Please check the recycle bin and remove the items inside. The second method, clean the temporary files. Launch the Run app, type %, temp%, and hit Enter. Then, remove all files and folders inside that temp folder. Third method. Again, open the Run app and type temp and hit Enter. Also, remove all the files and folders from there. The fourth method. Open My PC and right-click on the C drive and choose Properties. Then click on Details, and the System Storage section will open. Please wait for a few minutes to complete the checking. After complete the checking, review each menu like Installed Apps, Temporary File, Videos, Pictures, Documents, etc. If any unwanted apps are found, open and uninstall it. Also, clean the temporary files, docs, or pictures if any unwanted files are there. Select the files that you want to delete. Then click Remove Files to clean it. The last method. Click on Stat menu and search for Disk Defragment. And open the App Defragment and Optimize Drives. Then select the primary drive C and run a defragment. These methods will help you to save some space in C drive. It also helps you to clean the drive by removing unwanted files without affecting your important data. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.